I promised my wife I would never let her go without, but I couldn't save her, so I sent money instead. My name is Karuso. I am from West Africa. This story is about love and letting go. 10 years ago, I left my village. I went to the city to find work. My wife, Zenia, she stayed home. We were young. We were happy. I worked hard, very hard. I wanted to build something, a house, a family, a future. But one year, Zenia got sick, very sick. The doctors said it was serious. She needed medicine. She needed care. The hospital was far away. The bills were very big. She couldn't work. She was weak. So she left me. Not because she didn't love me. She loved me. But she needed her mother. She needed family near her. So she went home to her village, to her mother's house. I stayed in the city, alone. My friends said, "Karuso, you must move on. Forget her. Start new. Find another wife." But I couldn't do that. I loved her. So I made a promise. I said, "Zenia, I will send you money every month for your medicine, for your food, for your bills, no matter what. I will not let you go without." It was hard. Every month I worked more. I slept less. I wanted so much. But I took only what I needed. A little food, a small room. Everything else I sent to Zenia. My friends didn't understand. They said I was foolish. They said, "You are destroying your life. She is gone. You are alone." Why? But I knew why. Because love is not taking. Love is giving, even when it hurts. 5 years passed. Zenia got better. Slowly, slowly, she got strong. The medicine worked. Her body healed. I was so happy, so grateful. But then something changed. One day, Zenia sent me a letter. She wrote, "Karuso, my love, I am well now. I can work. I can take care of myself. You don't need to send money anymore." I read this letter 10 times. I cried. I thought, finally, we can be together again. I can stop working so hard. We can have our life back. But then she wrote something else. She said, "Karuso, I have realized something. For 5 years, you gave everything. You sacrificed everything. You never asked for anything. You just gave and gave and gave. I watched my mother love me. I felt you love me from far away. And I understood something important. Love is not what you take. Love is what you give. And you taught me this. I am well now, my love, but I have a new sickness. It is sadness. Because I missed you, because I realized our time together was so small. So I made a choice. I am going back to school. I am learning business. I want to work. I want to help people. I want to give like you gave. Not because I must, but because now I understand. You didn't send money to keep me. You sent money to teach me something. You taught me that real love is bigger than taking care of someone. Real love is showing them how to take care of themselves, and then How to take care of others. That was 3 years ago. Zenia is now a teacher. She teaches young girls in our village. She helps them learn. She gives them hope. She sends me messages. Karuso, I have a student. She is sick. She is scared. She lost her father. Can I help her? Can I give her something? And I say, yes, yes, my love. Help her. Because now we both understand love is not money. Love is not things. Love is choosing to give. Again and again, my friends were wrong. I didn't destroy my life. I built it, not with walls and things, but with purpose, with meaning, with a woman who learned to give like I learned to give. Zenia didn't go without, but more important, she found herself, and I found what love really means. Thank you for listening to our story. If this story helped, please leave us a comment, like and subscribe.